off on the road again. We're off to Tallangatta this weekend with the Rolling Stone ladies. Another beautiful morning. Loki in the sunshine. He's having a good time. The papa. Hey, Captain. Yeah, so.
We're rolling down the highway, blue skies overhead. Serenity's humming, adventure just ahead. Loki in the passenger seat, riding proud and neat. Plug of Mischief tapping time with his tiny feet. Shaking life, making tracks. From red dust roads to outback shacks. With Kazz at the wheel and a smile so wide, we're chasing joy on this rolling ride. Australia's wide and wild and free, rolling free in serenity. Mountains in the mirror, gum trees rushing by, waving to the wild birds soaring in the sky. Campfire coffee, stars so bright. Dreams roll on in the pale moonlight. High, making tracks alone, with Loki's ears flapping and snacks in the back. With paws on the dash and hearts full of glee, there's nowhere else we'd rather be. Australia's calling endlessly, rolling free in serenity. Shaking life, making tracks, ooh, with paw prints trailing and no looking back. Just me and my pug and the open road, with stories unfolding in travel mode. Australia sings in harmony, rolling free in serenity.